Office of Hawaiian Affairs, and Royal Hawaiian Heritage Jewelry.
Aloha, I'm Paula Akana. Welcome to Backstage at the Merrie Monarch. It's that time of year again when the sleepy town of Hilo wakes up to the sound of pahu drums, and thousands of people fill the Edith Kanakaʻole Stadium for the Merrie Monarch Hula Festival. This year we celebrate the 31st year of the event, which has become the premier hula competition. This year, 10 kane, or male, and 16 wahine, or female, halau will compete. Tonight on Backstage, we'll introduce you to 4 of the halau and take you along as we watch them prepare for the big event. But first, not enough can be said about the 2 people who keep the Merrie Monarch Festival going, Auntie Dottie Thompson and Uncle George Naope. They were honored this past year by the Polynesian Cultural Center. Here are some of the highlights of that event.
Uncle and Auntie, we just want to say thank you very much. We love both of you. We truly do. They need some lady.
We'll have more of Backstage at the Merrie Monarch. Coming up next, we're going to go sailing with a halau. But coming up tomorrow night at the Edith Kanakaʻole Stadium, Miss Aloha Hula competition, beginning live at 6 p.m. on KITV.